Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I thrifted this little frame and it's in really good shape. Printed some graphics from Graphics Fairy. Gonna use DIY paint and Sandy Blonde and Kissing Booth. I want this to have a French country garden feel. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it apart and give it a good cleaning. Here I decided to add this little tag to the bottom, and I'm just putting water around the edge and give it a tear with my fingers. I want it to have an organic look. Here I'm taking Vintage Photo ink by Tim Holtz, and I'm just going around the edges and adding a little antiquing to the picture. right, I gave my frame 2 good coats and let it dry real well. Then I'm going to take a wet wipe and I'm going to bring back some of the gold underneath. All right, once I had it distressed how I wanted it, I took my heat gun and went around and made sure all the paint was really dry. All right, I took it outside and gave it 2 good coats, front and back, of Mod Podge in the matte finish. Now I want to add some highlights to the details in the frame, and I want to bring out the colors in the roses. Because I have a lot of the tans, the sandy blonde colors, and gold, I want to bring the center of the roses. I want to bring the look of that out. I tried just straight kissing booth, and it was a little bit too harsh. So I wanted to add a little bit of the sandy blonde into the mix with it. So I wiped that off, and then I mixed on a paper plate some of the sandy blonde and some of the kissing booth. Now I'm just going to go around the frame and get that color all into the details. I want to have it on there, but not real noticeable. I want it to just kind of help bring out the center of the roses. Okay, once it was like I wanted, I took it outside and gave it 2 coats of Mod Podge in matte finish. Because later on I will antique it and I don't want it to wipe back the color. Okay, now I'm going to take Paint Couture in the Van Dyke Brown, the glaze, and I'm going to go around the frame and add it into the details and wipe it back. I want the glaze and some of the red to show through. All right, once I was happy with the way that looked, I took Rub and Buff in gold leaf, and I'm just going to highlight all the details around the frame. Now I'm going to take and put my picture inside the frame, and let's see what it looks like. Okay, at this point, I take some of my packing tape and I just go across the back of it, and that helps clean it up, get all the fuzz off of it, that type of thing. The back of this frame was in really good shape to begin with, so, but this just really helps clean it up. Don't pass up them frames at the thrift store. You can really have some fun, beautiful projects. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate everyone that is here. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time.